We go to Montauk?
You go to Montauk.
Are you listening? Damn.
Ew! My
There.
arm looks demented right now.
Hey!
Hello, governor!
Hey guys. It's us.
I just plucked the longest eyebrow hair. It was like out to here.
Today we're taking you on a little journey
To Montauk.
down to UK. I feel like it's more on me. Anyways, hope you guys can hear us. So we are going to Hampton Coffee Company in Montauk, and then we're just gonna kind of wing it from there. We're gonna go to the Clips.
We're gonna go to Gosman. Gosman's.
But yeah, we're gonna take you along on our little day. It may be chaotic.
Lobster rolls.
It usually is when we film together, but we'll take you along.
Your arms look really nice and ripped.
Look at the muscle. Boom, 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 boom. I like that breath. We will see you there.
Bye!
Hey guys, it's us. We're playing. Catching a vibe. My girlfriend. My crush. Let's fly the drone.
Yeah, I love you, yeah, you know me. I did it all for you, but I went and I'm grown. You put the city on my back, cold winter snowed in. I gotta leave it now, need that water rolling. Running through the hills like I forgot something. Running through the hills and I won't stop running. Running through the hills like the cops coming. That won't change me, I'll stay the same, remain the same me. Stuck in a trip, I just want something that's real. I don't want something to miss, I need a heart for the feel. A new start through the pills, an open spot for the feels. An open heart for the scars, an open eyes for the stars. I'm all here, no pressure to change for me, baby. Know you got a lot to hear to see clearly. I just wanna get your body to the ground, cause lately it seems like your head is in the clouds, yeah.
Hey guys, hope you like that drone footage because I crashed it for you. Let me explain how this happened. So basically Jenny and I were getting a really cool shot of her pushing the drone off the ledge. Then these random 3 boys came up to us and one of them was like, how hard is it to fly a drone? And me, being really dumb, I said, oh, it's so easy. And then immediately, 2 minutes later, got my karma because I flew it way too far. It was so windy that the battery drained super quicker than I've ever seen, and it couldn't make it back to where I was filming from in time, so it decided to just land. I panned the camera down because I was terrified it was going to land in the water or down the cliff or something, and I saw it was about to land in a bush, so I tried to shoot it away, but then I flew it into another bush because I forgot how fast it is. That's what happened. Now it is stuck in this bush, and Jenny and I had to crawl around looking for it. That was our little panic of the day. I thought that we were gonna have to just leave it because it was in a bush, but we couldn't tell where it was. Jenny and I were like hunting in the bushes. But then Jennifer found it. I think it's just the wing that's broken and I have extras, so hopefully she's alright. Don't fly your drones when it's really windy. But the footage was so cool. I'm retiring my drone for the day. DJI, you should make a feature that you can make your drone beep so you can find it when you crash it into bushes. I feel like that's not even bad considering it literally landed in the bush. She's a tough one. Now we're gonna go walk on the water and wash our feet because I don't want poison ivy.
You trip, I fall, you kill me with the soft lips. I'm stunned, I'm running through the darkness just to find what's right. Head is crowded inside, I can't find the light. And I said, running, I'm growing. You put the city on my back, cold winter snowed in. I gotta leave it now, need that water rolling. Running through the hills like I forgot something. Running through the hills and I won't stop running. Running through the hills like the cops coming. That won't change me. I'll stay the same, remain the same me. So what you doing around here?
Is that a credit card? Yeah, it is. Give me credit card. Ugh. Damn it. She loves credit. Damn it. I guess we'll take it, but like cut it up or something.
You get out here. You want me?
Hey guys, this is horrible lighting. Oh gosh. It's now 7 o'clock and I'm going home. I lost Jenny. I dropped her off at home. Now I'm driving back home. We had a great day, except Jenny had a stomach issue at the end. She like passed out while talking to me in the car, so we hope that she is okay. She took a little nap on our drive home, so I didn't really film that, but we had a great day aside from that, aside from the drone crashing, but I think it's gonna be okay. I'm not a bad pilot, I promise. I have never crashed it before. The battery drained really fast because it was so windy. I was literally watching it and like the battery percentage was like 10, 8, 7. I also found 2 ticks on me already from having to climb in the bushes to get the drone, but it was worth not leaving my drone in the bushes. I will never again fly it so far in windy conditions. I've learned my lesson. See you guys soon. Don't forget to subscribe. I gotta work on my vlogging skills. I like to just film pretty things and not say anything, but we're gonna work on it. Okay, bye. Sorry about this lighting.